So in this video we'll show that how you can use the plus symbol to add two numbers or concatenate two strings. So you can see in the first case we have this 1 2 3 plus 4 5 6. So it will add these two numbers. Okay, so you can just click Ctrl plus enter and it will show like 579, and because it added these two numbers. Similarly, if you use these quotation marks, then it will be a string. Okay, right? Then so this plus symbol will concatenate these two strings. So if you just click Ctrl plus enter, it will write this Ornesha Srimoy, because we have to put a space in between this. And now, yeah, so you can see it concatenate these two strings. Similarly, you can add two floats with this plus symbol. You just have to write this and it will add this two plus symbol. And if you wanna write like 1 2 3 4 5 6 with this plus symbol, it is also possible by using 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 as a string. So just write it as a string 1 2 3, and after that give a plus symbol and write 4 5 6. Both are string right now, so it will not add like 579 as an integer, it will add like a string like this one. So just click enter, Ctrl plus enter, and it will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, if you suppose add a variable name like var1 equals to 4 5 6, and var2 equals to 5 6 7 plus var1, and then print var2, then you can see it will show an error. Okay, yep, I mistake. I have to put this equals to sign over here, then click enter, and you can see this print var2. That means it added 5 6 7 plus var1, and var1 equals to 4 5 6. So it added 5 6 7 plus 4 5 6 as an integer. So if you write a quotation mark over here like this, then it will be 5 6, I mean, see, 5 6 7 plus 4 5 6, that means 5 6 7 4 5 6. So you can use this print statement also to print that variable. You can also use this plus symbol in the print statement. You don't need to declare the variable before print. You can use it directly like this, like so you can write here 5 6 7 plus 4 5 6, and you can see it's added successfully. You don't need to declare the variable before that. You can use this directly in the print statement. So in this way you can add two integers, two floats, not two, you can add multiple floats, multiple integers, or concatenate multiple strings. Okay,